Operation theatres are among the most sensitive environments in healthcare facilities. These spaces are highly specialized and often contain electrical equipment, flammable materials, and oxygen cylinders, all of which heighten the risk of fire incidents. The UAE Fire and Life Safety Code mandates the use of a double interlocked pre-action sprinkler system for operation theatres. What is a double interlocked pre-action system? A sprinkler system that requires two simultaneous triggers. Example, heat and smoke detection before water is released. Prevents accidental water discharge in sensitive areas like operation theatres. How does it work? Step number 1. Smoke or heat detection activates the system. Step number 2. The system confirms the fire risk and releases the water into the pipes. Step number 3. Sprinklers activate only when the fire is directly beneath them. Why is it critical in operation theatres? Protects life-saving equipment from water damage, minimizes operational disruption in emergencies, complies with the UAE Fire and Life Safety Code to ensure the highest standards of safety.